Welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. Hope everybody is fine. Hope it was a profitable day today. So many of the times traders used to ask the question on how much time will take to become profitable. I'm still not making profit. So the question I have for you in the trading mantra is like this. It takes at least 3 years for a trader to be successful and consistent profitable trader. This is what research tells. Unless otherwise you are a born trader. If you are a born trader and you have skills of last life and karma is there on your side, definitely you'll be able to make money trading from day one itself. But other traders who are starting their career in this life or some other reason there is a karma that is stopping you from making profit, it will take some time, at least 3 years you have to give time. It's like a degree. When you want to finish a degree, it takes 3 years for you to complete a degree. So you have to spend that much of time, effort, slogging you have to do to make yourself profitable. But you have to be very sincere about your trading, and don't do like this as entertainment. It's a serious business because you are involving your real time money in this. It's not like time only you are putting money also. It will take time. So this is what you understand. It's not that from day one you'll start making money from trading business. Okay, hope you understand this. If you are leaving the job and starting a trading career means, then you have to give some time and make sure you are doing right things. The problem is, if you are doing working and also doing trading, you will not be able to concentrate much on the time. But you should take some time to develop the skills and knowledge, and for sometimes there will be a lag. You have to leave the job and get into this. At least you should have 2 years of your income as your savings before getting into full-time trading career. So we'll keep you updating on this, how to become a full-time trading trader in over a period of time. Okay, so just understand this. It will take 3 years time to become a consistent profitable trader. Coming to what happened in the market today. So the Gann chart indicates that after the second almost like 11:30 12, that time we started the market giving down movement in the bank nifty. It was a clear down move in bank nifty. I'll just show you some rehearsal of what happened today also. And nifty also came almost a down move. So it was a good day. Definitely it said once one our option pain was the one which gave us a good indication of that actually. I will just show you the move what happened today. Gann midpoint in real time how it happened today. Okay, let me just take you to the chart today so that I will show you in live what happened. Okay, so this is the trading view. So I'm going to see, you can see like though it is green color, red color will be the only green color you can see, and you can see red colors only. So I maybe in a few days time I will just explain you how it is in trading view, how you can write Pine script to make this chart look like this. It is psychological hacking, the way how you do trading. Okay, it's a very good way of trading. Let me just show you how it happened today, starting from today. Just see the time lapse of what happened today. So the market gapped up today and it went, this is a long breakout. So it went above the long breakout. I told long breakout above that you should not short the calls. But because the option pain was around 21,600 levels from morning, it from 21,500 it moved 21,600. So we are waiting the Gann midpoint. If you see the blue line, this is the Gann midpoint. So Gann midpoint was supporting us. It was not a good to buy call because the option pain is not moving. Though it is above long breakout, we have to look for the either shorting call option or buying put option. So there are two options for us. Now if you see here, it went below the Gann midpoint here. Then what happened? If you see here, never it went above the Gann midpoint. See the level of down movement we got after breaking the Gann midpoint. Okay, Gann midpoint blue color line. Just keep seeing it. Then we saw the power of 2 also gave sell signal. Today a lot of whips happened in the bank nifty actually, which had never happened in the last almost 6 months since I've been tracking this the power of 2. So if you see here, Gann midpoint never gave a reversal actually. Every time it tried to move up, the Gann midpoint gave a resistance. So till the closing, if you see around 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock now, after that it went below the cloud also. Ichimoku cloud also it went below and still become more weak. the long breakout, this is a point where below that the signal we got another confirmation, and then previous day high also could not sustain and went below this, and this way the market closed today in Bank Nifty. So just following these two simple rules, you plot your long breakout level, previous day high, and if you bought put, so assume that if you want to buy a puts, which one is high and how the anchored VWAP, that also I will show you. So if you see here, 21800 put was a very good example case study. So what happened is, this is VWAP. So anchored VWAP and VW both are same for today. Okay. So what happened? Those who are sold here today in the morning, this is the red line what you can see, and here what happened? Every time the market this 21800 put tried to move up, it got resistance. Everybody is trying to sell. Again it came down. Again this point, this is the point where with single candle it moved up. This is the place 175 levels. It moved up. So these guys who shorted here at around 300 levels, around 300 levels, they squared off at 175. Then those who were shorted on 4th August yesterday, those people have squared off the positions here. Then 3rd August, these people have squared off the positions here. After that, these guys came in and squared off all the positions here. The last 3 days before that, the big candle formed because these guys, the heavyweights who have been shorting before 2 days, 3 days back, they also squared off the position and went up to almost 470 levels. So volume profile indicator, this is the bottom top here where there is no buyers for this put option. Then started coming down and does some consolidation, and this level it came down and closed at around 300 levels. So this anchor VWP was a classic example today, like how it has started moving up. So instead of buying put, as a safe trader, you can sell 22,000 call also. See what happened to 22,000 call. If you see 22,000 call, I cannot see here 22,000 call. August. Okay, let me just see here. 20,000 call. The same logic for shorting the call option. So what happened here in the morning? I just show in 5 minutes chart, this one, or 3 minutes chart. Okay. So if you see here, what happened at the open itself started going up. Okay. So there is chance you could have bought, but no need to take all the trades actually. Morning, first wait for the reversal. Most of times if you see market goes up, it will reverses either in half an hour, 1 hour, or by afternoon. The trend reversal time is around 1 o'clock, I told you, 1:30, but before also time comes. So here we got a move here. Now all the people have squared off the positions here. So what happened? They went to push the market to here, this level, almost 207 levels, and then these people again squared off the position. This is the place where they squared off their positions 3 days back, who sold the put option. Now after that, here again they sold the call options again here around 164. So after that, this is squared off the position here by shorting again, and then again this is the position 3rd August, who were shorted again, they shorted here the same place, and now here what happened here, they closed 47 rupees. So this is the way how you sell the call option also. So wait for the signal from anchor VWAP, and who are like safe trader, what they can do is, if their potential is say 10 lots, they can do first take 3 lots or 2 lots, just 2 lots, and then wait for the opportunity. Assume you've taken the position here, the square of, you should not take the position here. This is the place where you should take a position, because 3 layers of anchor VWP is there. These are heavy guys, heavy shorts who want to short. This is a big candle. When the candle moves up with big candle, one single candle, and moves on with the one single candle, this is the time you have to be very watchful and take the good position bets. Okay, hope you understand this. Look for one single candle breakout above this and above below this. Okay, this is the way you short the calls or puts. So let us come back to our PPT. So Gann point, this is what you saw, the power of 2. We got a sell signal by several signals was there, but today what happened is at the close just a sell signal. We'll wait for a buy signal. Till the time we be on the sell side only. But most of times if you see, when the market is overall bullish, the buy signal comes very effective. And always you have to try to track the option pain also. When the option pain is at 21,500 levels and spot goes to 21,900, there is a 400 points gap, and if the option pain do not move tracking the spot price, then the spot price pulls back to the option pain. So this way the option pain is like a magnet, it pulls the spot price or it goes behind the spot price. So this way too happens. So coming to the trend view, Nifty the same level around 2080, definitely the Arun up has become weak, but Arun down has not become energetic to move up. It is still at zero levels only. So definitely Arun indicator is not giving any bearish signal as of now, and we need to break at least 10,800 levels, 11,000 at least the psychological level we need to break for the Nifty to become bearish. For that, Reliance support is required definitely. We will cover about the Reliance also in the coming slides. Bank Nifty is supposed to have give breakout. Actually here the crossover has to happen, but however by end of the day some indication was there Arun down is coming down, but we have to be very cautious, and anytime it is becoming weak, breaking 21,000 levels tomorrow could be a trigger. Okay, tomorrow could be a trigger. We have to see very carefully 21,000 levels. There is a good chance that it can break if any negative news or market doesn't like. But the FIs are not prepared for any short positions or pulling down the markets, so there is a high probability that it is going to be a volatile day and expiry around 21,500 levels. That's what I'm expecting, and even Nifty also around 11,100 levels should be the expiry. Any move can be go around 100 points up and 100 points downside, but tomorrow 11,000 may not break. That's what it looks like. So in the hourly time frame, so this is a trend line which we broke actually almost a 15-20 days trend line. It is broken. It is trying to go up. It could not break it, and wait for the levels. I don't think this could be broken in the tomorrow at least. So there is a less chance only. In case of Bank Nifty 20,000, several times it is being tested. So we have to be very watchful. 20,000 level is a make or break level. In case it tests again, there is a high chance that we can break 21,000 level. So look for the opportunity to short the call options. Like if somebody have the potential, they can short 21,000 call options also, month and expiry. Today there's a good opportunity around 1,300 rupees it was available. When the down move came, it came to 1,000 rupees. So instead of 4 or 5 lots, if somebody want to take only one lot, they can try like this deep in the money call options also, and protection you can buy, because there is no because option pain is around 21,500. You are shorting 21,000 call at 1,300, means you are shorting around 22,300 levels. So there is no need for any precaution if you are shorting one lot or two lots. And also you can have a hedge by shorting 21,500 put also on the down moves. This way you can do the hedging with the deep in the money call options and put options, month and expiry. There is less chance of you being hit. What you can do is you can buy very far 1,000 points away some call option, and 1,000 points below call put option at 25 rupees 30 rupees you can buy as a safe, you feel comfortable, and also some for margin benefit. Today Nifty Heikin Ashi has given a reversal. Like if you see here, just one day now what happened here, Heikin Ashi has given a reversal, open equal to low. So now Heikin Ashi also is giving a comfort that it is bullish now, and Bank Nifty also has given a bullish sign. So it has given a reversal sign. So let us not take it lightly. If it is bullish, means we have to be bullish. That's it. And whatever chart tells, we have to follow it. And till the time it another red candle forms, let us continue with the bullish indication only. So coming to the key data points, both PCR is having a bearish momentum. So this weekend the first indication that the market reversal, whenever the market, the Heikin Ashi is showing a bullish sign, if the market has to reverse, because though the overall market is a bullish, bearish, whatever, option data is the one you have to give priority, because that's where the lot of trading happens, and it's a more sensitive data. If there is somebody, market is reversing and the shorts are there, the first people who are going to reverse is the option writers. So the first indication of any market reversal or change in the prices will come from your option data. So the PCR what you are seeing is based on the option data. The first indication you are getting on reversal or movement is the PCR and your option rating. You see today, even though the market came to the bottom or any 11,000 levels, 11,050 levels, then today the option put option traders has not changed at all. 11,000 steadily they are holding it, and then adding more puts also. And similarly on the upside, 11,200 call option writers also are steadily holding the positions. So tomorrow we can get a squeeze between these two, and we can see 11,100. I'm expecting a high chance that we can get squeezed around 11,100 levels and expiry also around that level. And similarly, in case of Bank Nifty, 21,500, if you see here exactly the midpoint 21,500, that's the place you can expect some expiry. 21,500 levels, 21,500 short straddle can be a good opportunity. So I just taken just 2 lots of 21,500 short straddle. So in case there is a almost 21,500 call option and 21,600 put option. This was taken short guts. So total premium I received was 450 rupees. So in case actually 100 rupees is intrinsic value, almost 300 points is guaranteed in case any movement comes between this. So that's just one day you'll get 300 points with this straddle. There is a risk, just 2 lots, that's not a problem, because overnight position, because otherwise you buy call option for hedge and all, there will be very costly affair. Any high quantity you don't take it. Just 2 lots will give 15,000 rupees if you your view is correct. And case of Lakshman Rekha, the same like yesterday, it is bullish. Original Lakshman Rekha is bearish, but however the stop loss is giving a bullish sign. It's a contrast sign. So just wait for the opportunity. Only about 22,000 levels, this 20 DMA, about 22,000 only the Bank Nifty can become bullish. So till the time we have to look for any down moves or sell and rise. The call options shorting will be a good opportunity. In case of Nifty, definitely Reliance has to give a support for moving down the Nifty. So as of now, it is in a consolidation range. There is a lot of demand for call options. The call IV is very high as compared to the put IV. So this indication that there is a call demand, and we will take opportunity for writing the call options at exhaustion time. Like today, what happened? FIs almost they reduced some 7,000 contracts today in index futures, and also index call option. Okay, let me just show you the key data points here. If you see here, yesterday they were holding 22,000 contracts of index futures. Today they are reduced to 15,000 contracts. And similarly, long put options, they not made any much changes actually, but call options they reduced slightly. And the clients, the proprietary traders, they shorted call options. If you see 1,30,000 they contract shorted. Yesterday only 70,000. They're expecting the market to be on the downside or no movement. The call option they are expecting to make money. 1.4 lakhs almost the calls they sold actually. So long breakout, short breakouts. So this 21,800 levels long breakout and 21,241 short breakout. The midpoint is 21,500. Keep a watch on this. There is less chance we will give any long breakout or short breakout tomorrow. In case any RBI policy, there is some surprise, positive or negative, whatever, then we can see the movement. But most of times there is chance that we can touch this and go and touch this and settle around 21,500 levels. So there is high probability. Just keep a tab on this, and tomorrow any trades you are taking, hold with the stop loss only. But whatever stop loss you take, it will be hit for sure because of the volatility tomorrow. So just wait and watch, see what's happening. Just be on the call side or put side only. Look for the opportunity and then take a position. In case of Nifty, 11,191 or 11,200, this is what the call open. The call traders are holding highest open interest. So 11,200 call, and here also same short breakout 11,000 put option is the highest open interest for put traders. So this both are coinciding also. This is the way how they take positions. So when you down move, they will look for shorting the 11,000 put options. So coming to the Infosys, I told about this 950 put option around 30 rupees. Now it is around 31 rupees. If you see here ADX, this ADX is one indicator where exhaustion. The exhaustion happens here around 55 levels, 55-60 levels. There is less chance. The trend reversal happens this time, this place. So either you sell the call options and take some hedge, or you can hold this put option, keep a stop loss of 10 rupees, and then you can try, because it is a 12,000 rupees risk. 10 rupees stop loss means 12,000 is the risk, but there is a high chance that we will fill this gap. Expecting at least 100 rupees in this Infosys put option, 950 put option. But whenever there is a close, if you see here, we've been seeing a red candle continuously for the last 4 days, and any close below above previous day high, then that's the time you have to be cautious and you have to close your positions with some small stop loss. So till the time, anybody who can take some slight risk of 10 rupees on this one lot, never ever take more than one lot in this situations. It's a very costly affair. So one lot and expect this we should get. I'm expecting in case of once the Reliance is giving some lead, then this can happen. This Infosys can hit and this put option 950 can hit 100 rupees. There's a high chance because we are seeing the momentum is giving some exhaustion here. This is the ADX. In case of Reliance, after a big move, here also some consolidation happened. It came down here, then doing some consolidation here. Possible that 200 points range we are seeing consolidation. Once we break 2000 level, then only we can see some down move to come. But till the time, it will give a feeling that every down move is a buying opportunity. That's what is happening. But any bearish indication or down move can come only below 2000 levels. But what news based on that it will come down, only God knows. But below 2000 only some bearish movement can come, because there is a gap which need to get filled here, 1300 levels, which will get filled for sure, but time will tell you when is the time. So when the big down move comes, this Reliance will take the Nifty to below 10,000 also, if only the Reliance has the capacity to do that. So here also, if you see here, keep watch on this ADX movement, because long time it is not given any sell signal at all. It is starting from almost April, 1 2 3 4 5 months. Okay, this cannot happen. We have to give some get sell signal, wait for the opportunity, but it will take some time. It will test your patience, then only it will give you sell signal. Till the time, the thing is that if you buy put option, the every day it passes by, you will be keep losing the premium. So you have to wait for the opportunity. Only below 2000 you will get some opportunity to short the Reliance. Reliance shorting means it's a very risky affair, because it is being followed and managed by several FIs and DIs. So they will not allow the Nifty Reliance to fall so easily. But once they decided to push down, and everybody will push down and it will go in fast. So you have to be very very cautious about the taking positions in shorts. With hedge only you have to take. So Reliance option strategy, we have that only one position where we bought 2140 call. Originally we bought, and then 2000 call we sold around 130. This is the only position we have. So in case we are breaking below 2000, then will be a very good profitable position where we'll get this change. And similarly, you can add some call options also shorting once the market goes down, keeping this as a hedge. But till the time, if you see here, the option premium is getting diluted. That's it every day. So coming to learning time. So today I am going to tell you about one small indicator. Everybody knows that, but as a twisted one. Super trend. Okay, super trend is one indicator everybody knows also. In case you don't know, you can just search the Google also, you will come to know. Super trend, one single line indicator where we can know whether the market is in the uptrend or downtrend. Single line. The parameter is what you have to know. What is the parameter you have to follow for setting this super trend? So this is a chart. Okay, in this case I am taking the Reliance. Let me just take the Reliance. Now here the indicator will tell you super trend. But just wait, here I am going to give one big clue. Actually, super trend is not the way how you think. Okay, now the parameter setting is 10-3. Okay, now we will tell 7-3. Length is 7 and 3. Now this is what normally everybody use it default. Okay, now what are the changes we are going to modify? Some small twists we are going to do, so that we get some good indication of your super trend, use of super trend indicator. What are things we are going to do? So normal, you can see the candlesticks. Now we are going to change it to Heikin Ashi. Now we are setting to Heikin Ashi. Okay, now if you see here the whipsaw, what you saw here, the whipsaw was there for 7-3. Now that whipsaw is gone. Now we are going to Heikin Ashi. Heikin Ashi candle you is going to see, and if you see here the buy signal we got from here 1200, we are riding all the way almost 1000 points in Reliance. Okay, now another filter. Now second filter. First filter was this Heikin Ashi candle. Now we are going to clear indication of the up move. Now another super trend we are going to introduce in this super trend. Here the indication is parameter is 10-3. The first one is 7-3. Now 10-3. Now one more filter we are going to put super trend. Here it is going to be 11-2. 11-2. Tell okay. Okay. Now these are three super trends, we are going to put a filter and Heikin Ashi. Okay, this is one simple setup, you keep it, and then in case if it breaks, then it's a very good down move or up move we are going to get. We'll test in every case. If you just see example of Reliance, see the Reliance now, one breakout we got here around 1152, the second, third. So third, when all three super trends are broken with Heikin Ashi, then it's a strong breakout. So easily we will not get this breakout above all the three super trends. Take the case of Nifty. See the case of Nifty, we got a breakout around 9795. Now we got almost 1300 points. Here also same, once you got the breakout here, this one, if one super trend is giving a breakout, you will not consider this because consolidation zone, this is a consolidation zone, you should not give, you should hold your positions here. Once the breakout gives here, then you should reverse your positions and go long. If you see here, you will never got any whipsaw at all here. Okay, in the past also you can see here, starting from here, once we got the breakout here 11,242 till here, we not got any breakout here. Okay, 12,000 levels and here 11,964. Okay, once we get all the breakout, you can see the trend is emerging. You can see for Bank Nifty also same. So where we are trending now. Now in case of Bank Nifty, just see here, one super trend we have broken already. Now another two super trends are there, which is around 2816. If we break 2816 in Heikin Ashi and closes below this, all the another two super trends, then Bank Nifty will give a good down move. Okay, so this one technique also you can follow for any positional trades. In case of any positional trades, you can try this technique, triple super trend, and it's going to be very effective. Try in your all the different instruments, whatever you normally trade. The super trends are 7-3, 10-3, 11-2. So this is what remember Heikin Ashi candlesticks. So this one setup, you try it, it definitely will amaze you with the results. Okay, hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like the channel. I'll bring out more videos. The likes, at least you should give me 30 so that I'll update the historical option chain with the updated data. Yesterday it was not so many likes as expected, so I have not updated the file. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Good night.